I'm frae a wee place where folk live with ease and plain lives are seasoned by the salty sea breeze. I'm frae a wee place where the bonny boats sway and magic outpours from bottomless pots of tea. I'm frae a wee place where weans love to roam between ditches and loanings at the quaint Hannah's Close. I'm frae a wee place where the mountains are braw, where the men in hobnail boots built the famous Mourne Wall. I'm frae a wee place where Hull-Boleen shines and you'll always find treasure in our kin and folks' smile. I'm frae Kilkeel, the place I was born. I'm frae the kingdom of Mourne.